Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about if you are trying to download RBC mobile app but you could not download it because the error your device is not compatible with this version. So what is the solution of this error and why it come from and where it comes from, and so the error your device is not compatible with this device usually mean your phone or tablet does not meet the requirement set by the app developer. So you can try some method to fix it, and if this method did not work, so you need to replace your device, okay, with the latest feature. So first method is go to your settings, go to your device settings and look for the system or software updates. Check for and install any available updates. This is often the quickest fix. And second method is go to the app listing page on the store and look for the developer contact information. Ask them for the exact minimum requirement for the app. You may be able to explain the specific reason of your device by your device is blocked, okay. So if these method did not work, so your device is simply, so I think your device is simply too old to receive the necessary OS updates. Unfortunately, you may not be able to download that specific app, so you need to replace your device with the latest feature, okay. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.